Hello everyone, I'm Talha Makbool from SolarEast. Today, right now I'm standing in the battery manufacturing unit of SolarEast. The section I'm standing is OCV testing, that is open circuit voltage testing. It measures the voltage and internal resistance of the battery cells for uniformity and consistency. Only the cells with an appropriate voltage and thickness range are deemed qualified. I am standing at the cell adhesive bonding section. This section ensures insulation between the batteries and maintains secure spacing for structural stability. Okay, now I'm standing at module stacking and compression section. Here the workers are assembling individual cells into modules, secured with top-bottom straps for structural stability. Here I'm standing at terminal cleaning, which cleans the terminal surface to reduce internal resistance and links cell module QR codes for product traceability. Here I'm standing at terminal addressing, which locates terminal positions via CCD imaging technology, charged coupled device imaging technology, preparing for subsequent laser automated welding. Now I'm standing at CCS installation, cell contact system installation, where the workers place integrated cover plate onto the cell modules to ensure all cells are well connected. Real-time monitoring of the parameters are being performed by the machine. Machine checks the parameters at the start point and the end point for 2 times to ensure all parameters are accurate and consistent. Here I am standing at welding inspection, where manual inspection is being performed by the workers. A visual inspection to check for missed welds, burn through points, and then measure the total module voltage. Here I am standing at end of life testing, where insulation testing and voltage testing is being performed, conducted at 3.15 kV. Here I am standing at module offline installation into the pack, where the workers place the module onto the liquid-cooled plate and apply thermal conductive gel to prevent gaps between the cold plate and the module to avoid poor thermal conductivity.